Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Microsoft. This tech giant has shaped the way we use computers, work, and even play. From creating software that millions rely on daily to pushing the boundaries in cloud computing and gaming, Microsoft is everywhere. In this video, we'll take a fun journey through its history, key products, and its impact on our lives. So let's get started and explore what makes Microsoft, well, Microsoft. Microsoft was founded in 1975 by two ambitious tech enthusiasts, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Initially, they started by creating software for the Altair 8800, an early personal computer. Fast forward to 1985, and Microsoft launched Windows, a revolutionary graphical interface that changed the landscape of personal computing. It was a game changer. The company didn't stop there. It continued to innovate throughout the 90s and 2000s with popular products like the Microsoft Office suite, which became the standard for document creation. By 2001, the release of Windows XP created a buzz for its user-friendly interface and stability. As years rolled on, Microsoft ventured into gaming with the Xbox, stepping up its game. With each leap in technology, Microsoft not only built its brand, but also laid the groundwork for how we interact with computers today. Now that we've touched on its history, let's talk about what Microsoft actually offers. At the heart of it all is the Windows operating system, which powers a huge number of personal computers worldwide. It's designed to be user-friendly and compatible with a ton of applications, making it a go-to choice for both home and office. Then there's Microsoft Office, think Word, Excel, and PowerPoint tools that have become essential for productivity. Whether you're creating reports, analyzing data, or preparing presentations, Office has your back. And let's not forget about Microsoft Azure, its cloud computing platform. Azure provides businesses with tools to build, deploy, and manage applications through Microsoft's global network, allowing companies to scale effortlessly. It's like having a powerful computer in the sky. For gamers, Microsoft brings the Xbox console into the mix, complete with a vast library of games and a thriving online community. Other services like Microsoft Teams offer collaborative tools for remote work, and OneDrive provides secure cloud storage. Talk about a comprehensive suite of products. Microsoft's impact on technology is truly monumental. By popularizing personal computing, they made technology accessible to the masses, changing the way we work and communicate. Before Microsoft, computers were mainly for tech wizards, but with Windows, anyone could navigate a computer with ease. Their innovations paved the way for software development practices we see today, influencing how developers create applications. Companies began to adopt Microsoft software as the standard for efficiency, which helped businesses thrive. Furthermore, their focus on user experience has encouraged other tech companies to prioritize consumer-friendly designs. Microsoft not only changed the tech landscape, but also created a culture of innovation, inspiring countless startups and established companies alike to push their limits. In the corporate world, Microsoft plays a crucial role by providing solutions that enhance productivity and collaboration. Office 365 has become a staple, allowing teams to work together from anywhere in the world. With features like cloud storage and real-time editing, remote work has never been easier. Additionally, Microsoft Dynamics helps businesses manage operations and customer relationships seamlessly. These tools not only streamline workflows, but also bolster efficiency, allowing companies to focus on growth. So whether you're at a large corporation or a small business, Microsoft's offerings cater to all types of workplaces, making work life a bit easier for everyone. Looking at recent developments, Microsoft has been on an acquisition spree, bringing companies like LinkedIn and GitHub under its umbrella. This not only expands their reach, but also enhances their offerings. The company is heavily investing in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and cloud services, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, Microsoft is committed to sustainability, aiming for carbon negativity by 2030. They're focusing on ethical computing to create a positive impact for future generations. To wrap it all up, Microsoft's influence in technology and business is vast and ever-evolving. As they continue to innovate, one thing's for sure: Microsoft is here to stay.